In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search by invoice number on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing a bustling small business or simply keeping your personal finances in order, knowing how to efficiently track down specific invoices can save you valuable time and effort. QuickBooks Online offers a streamlined way to locate invoices, and today, I'll walk you through the process step by step. This way you can quickly retrieve the information you need without any hassle. To get started, take a look at the top of your QuickBooks Online interface. You'll notice a search bar prominently positioned up there. This is your go-to tool for finding various transactions. Clicking on this search bar will open up a menu of options for you. You'll want to pay particular attention to the Advanced Transactions Search. This option provides a more targeted search experience, allowing you to filter and narrow down your search criteria for more precise results. Once you select the Advanced Transactions Search, the next step involves changing the transaction type to Invoice. This is crucial because QuickBooks handles various transaction types, from bills and expenses to credits and estimates, so ensuring you are specifically searching for invoices is key to finding your desired document. Adjusting this setting will confine your search to just invoices, which narrows down the results significantly and focuses your search on exactly what you're looking for. With the transaction type set to invoice, the next feature you'll use is the reference number text box. This is where you'll enter the reference number of the particular invoice you want to locate. The reference number is typically a unique identifier associated with each invoice, and entering it allows QuickBooks to home in on that specific document. Make sure to double-check that the number you enter is correct, as even a small mistype could lead to no results or an incorrect match. And there you have it. Once you've entered your criteria and hit search, QuickBooks will pull up the invoice associated with that reference number. It's as straightforward as that. By following these easy steps, you have quickly and effectively located your invoice without sifting through countless documents manually. This method is a simple yet powerful tool at your disposal whenever you need to review, verify, or manage transactions related to that invoice. Remember, efficiency in bookkeeping can save you both time and stress, so don't hesitate to leverage these robust search features whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!